morning sa inyo, Mr. and Mrs. Tabayoyong.
Good morning din po.
And good morning din po sa inyo, Mr. and Mrs. Tuwazon.
Good morning.
Alam naman natin na matatalino ang mga anak ninyo. Pero I expect na walang mangyayaring cheating sa entrance exam.
Dahil parehong genius ang mga batang sina Aika at Zoe, pareho silang nakapasa sa entrance exam ng Pilgrim Christian College at hindi nila inakala na sa panibagong school year, doon nila mas makikilala ang isa't isa.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Lisa.
Welcome to another school year. Before we start our lesson, I would like to introduce to our two new students here in our school. Her name is Miss Aika.
Hello everyone, my name is Aika Tapin. I am 9 years old. My favorite subject is mathematics. My hobbies are reading, writing, collecting stamps, and coins.
Very good, Aika. You know, Aika is a valedictorian from the last school, am I right?
Yes, po.
Now, we have another valedictorian. Her name is Miss Zoe. There you are, Miss Zoe.
My name is Zoe. That's Z-O-E. Zelda Original Luis Gomez Tuazon. Also spelled with Z, never in an S. I don't have a favorite subject because I excel in everything. My hobbies are making my own crosswords and Sudoku puzzles, horseback riding, and watching documentaries of Asian philosophers.
Sa first quarter pa lang ng school year na iyon ay nagpakitang gilas na agad ang dalawang bata sa math.
What is the square root of 625?
Sir, 25.
Sa spelling,
Spell Bougainvillea.
Bougainvillea.
What is the square root of 100 million? Aika?
Sir, 10,000.
Onomatopoeia.
That's Onomatopoeia.
What is the square root of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9?
1.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Marvelous! You're the best!
Correct! Palakpakan natin si Aika.
at sa science,
What is the center of the human nervous system?
The brain.
What are the parts of the brain?
Ma'am, brainstem, cerebellum, and cerebrum.
What is the function of the brain?
The brain gets the message from outside the body. It tells the body what to taste, hear, smell, and feel.
How big is the human brain?
1.5 kilos.
The left side is the brain is for...
Problem solving, math, and writing.
How about the right side?
Creativity, art, and music.
Brainy talaga kayo ha? Sige na nga, kayo na lang magturo dito.
religion class, second quarter, topic is creation. Darating ang araw na bubuo sa reputasyon ni Zoe.
Here was no form of life.
Reverend Angelina, of course, all of this is symbolic, right? I mean, no one can possibly make the entire universe in just 7 days.
No one but God. So are you saying that you don't believe what is written in the Bible?
No, not literally, Reverend.
Puti na bata. Take back everything that you said.
No, Reverend. What I'm saying is that there must be a scientific explanation as to how the universe was created, like the Big Bang Theory, which says that the world came about through billions and billions and billions of years, caused by an explosion of an atom. No, Reverend. Everything should have an explanation, a scientific explanation, and everything can be explained by science.
I'm giving you 5 counts to take back everything that you said.
Why?
5. This is a Christian school, Zoe.
Kahit na.
4. Mangilabot ka sa mga sinasabi mo.
Hindi ko babawiin.
3. Mas marunong ka pa sa akin.
Maybe.
2. Hindi ka naniniwala sa Diyos.
I never said that, Reverend.
1. You will rot in hell!
Hell? Meron mo ba talagang hell? Di ba concept lang po yun?
Shut up!
Pagkatapos nung nangyari na sagutan ni Zoe at ni Reverend Angelina, ay bigla silang naging magkaibigan ni Aika at tinagurian silang bad geniuses.
Oh my God!
Another bitch!
No! The villain!
What subject are you from? Wala. Di ba valedictorian ka sa school niyo?
Oo, di ba ikaw din?
Pero di ba public school lang yun?
Hindi namang matatalino doon.
I don't think so. May friends ka ba doon?
Naman.
Totoong friends? Alam mo kasi, yung mga kagaya natin na binibigyan ng sobrang galing can never be friends with mere mortals.
Bakit naman?
Mga insecure at inggit, threaten sila dahil alam nila mas superior tayo kaysa sa kanila.
Sobra ka naman. Hindi ka ba nagagalit sa kanila na iniitsupera nila tayo palagi?
No, I don't get mad. I get evil.
Welcome to Pilgrim Christian College. Grade School Recognition, School Year 2025-2026. Salutatorian, Zelda Olicia Eloise Tuason. Valedictorian, Aika Tabayoyong.
Mula grade 4 hanggang graduation ng elementary, si Aika lagi ang nangunguna. Hanggang humantong sila ng high school.
Hey Dad, hey Mom. Dad, why you call me? About what? Just tell me. But I'm on top. But I am the best. Wait, is my best still not good enough for the both of you?
Iha, ang ibig sabihin lang naman ng daddy mo is that if you really want to study abroad, we only want the best schools for you. Harvard, Princeton, Yale, now to get in. It will be better on your resume if you become the valedictorian of your high school. Zoe anak, ganyan ba kahirap lagpasan si Aika? But Aika's my best friend. They mean you know her weaknesses.
Senior year, sa huling taon ng kanilang high school, darating ang lalaki na magbabago sa takbo ng kanilang buhay.
Sorry. Guys ka lang? Sige, ganito. Gawin mo. Inhale. Exhale. Tapos pikit mo yung mata mo. Inhale. Ayan, sige. Inhale. 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 Exhale.
So, good morning, class. We have a new student today. Please stand up and present yourself.
Hey, I am Mark Per, and I was a student at St. John High School. I am a member of the team football team. That's it.
Okay. And now for the pleasantries. Let's start the school year with a bang. Today's lesson is calculus. There's a bonus point for anybody who answers my question. What is the difference between a tangent line and a secant line? Okay. Aika Tabayorio. Miss Tabayorio.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Never mind. Sit down and pay attention.
Sorry po.
Really? Anyone else? Oh, Miss Quadron.
Ma'am, a second line meets the circle at 2 points, whereas the tangent line touches the circle at 1 point.
Very good. Now turn your textbook to page 12. Mr. Ferret, given that f of 2 is equal to 4 and g of 2 is equal to 3, find the value of f over g by 2. This is an easy question. Kung nag-aral ka ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Mark, tandaan mo, kung gusto mong graduate, you better shape up. Kasi kaya ka namin nilagay sa star section para mahawakan ka ng sipag at hindi mag-isip ng katamaran.
Sorry, ma'am.
Boy,
Nakakagulat ka naman.
gusto mo mag-graduate dito?
Oo naman, siyempre.
I'll do the homework. You do the learning.
Paano?
It's quite simple. Actually, gagawin ko lahat mga projects at assignment mo. Papakopyahin pa kita. Pero, kailangan ma-indulge si Aika sa'yo.
Hindi pa ba? That friends of yours stares like she's already underestimating me.
Kailangan mas in love pa. Yung sagad, wagas. Wasak na wasak. Ano, deal? Just make sure na ikaw ang kanyang center ng kanyang universe.
Pwede bang mag-request?
Ano yun?
Pwede bang pasangawa lang? Huwag mo masyadong galingan. Baka hindi kasi sila maniwala eh. Yung homework ko, huwag mo masyadong galingan.
Kahit sa sobrang talino ni Aika, ay hindi pa rin maiiwasan ang mga namubuli sa kanya.
Hi!
Kamusta ka? Ano nga ulit pangalan mo?
Ako si Aika.
Ikaw ba yung best friend ni yung sino nga yun?
Zoe.
Gusto mo tubig?
Salamat.
Bakit ka nga ba umiyak?
Wala lang po. Hindi naman personal.
Kailan nga yung kami mo? Pwede ba? Ganito mo. Iyak ka talaga. Gawin mo. Try mo lang na isipin mo yung mga bagay na kasi tapos huwag mo na isipin yung mga tao na yun. Alam mo yung mga tao na yun. Sila makialam kahit ang gawin. Gawin mo. Ayos ba?
Ayos mo.
Okay.
Pwede mo lang bitawan sa kamay.
Ayos mo. Pwede ba kitang maimbitahan kumain sa labas? Ayos lang ba?
Pwede next time.
Okay, sige. Pwede naman.
Sige.
Okay, mauna na ako Salamat. Ano nga ulit pangalan mo?
Ako si Aika.
Salamat, Aika. Bye-bye. Isa po nito. Isa po yan. Salamat. 1 minute.
Hindi ako pwede ko. Sensitive kasi lang siya sa ganyan.
Ayan.
Hey Mark, here's your science project. History of the Dr. Jose Rizal, assessment, and the final portfolio.
Okay, salamat. Baka masyado mong ginalingan, ha? Baka walang maniwala sa akin.
So what's the process between you and Aika?
Okay lang.
Dahil sa plano ni Zoe ay mas naging pabaya si Aika sa kanyang pag-aaral.
Mom, what is it? Mom, don't get angry. 89 is fine. Mom, that's enough. I already get your point.
Pagkatapos nun ay tumigil na si Aika sa pagkikipagkita kay Mark at mas pinagbutihan niya ang kanyang pag-aaral.
Aika?
Yes.
So, what's your final average?
Bakit na?
You first.
Ako ang unang tumawa.
Hindi ako na nagtanong eh.
Sabay na lang tayo. 3, 2, 1. 1971.
Have you decided what college are you going to yet?
Sa Ateneo, ikaw.
Well, I was thinking Yale or Harvard. Did you know? Nakapasok din ako sa Cambridge, so I'm really not sure yet.
Mabuti naman.
Thank you!
Mabuti naman. At magpapakalayo-layo ka na. Mas mabuti nga sigurado kung wag ka nang bumalik ever.
Wow, bitter much?
Oh, come on, Zoe. We all know the truth. We have the same final average. That's true. You even bribed the school with a new building just to get what you want. True. Ako dapat ang valedictorian. Fact.
And you know this for a fact.
Fact na fact. Hindi ko iiyakan ang medalya mo. Kung gusto mo, isaksak mo sa bilbil mo, tapos lamunin mo, asawahin mo.
Oh my God! You were so crass! Para kang anak ng palengkera. Oh wait, anak ka pala ng palengkera.
Sus, kung ganito lang pala ang mangyayari, edi sana hindi na ako nang aksayan ng oras sa'yo. Kasi kaibigang putik ka.
Ha 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 ha. Wait, why don't you backtrack here? Ikaw ang unang gusto makipagkaibigan dahil walang gusto makipagkaibigan sa'yo. The truth is, you needed me more than I needed you.
Well, thank you for the friendship. Goodbye.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pilgrim Christian College graduation ceremony. Our salutatorian, Aika Tabayoyo. And our valedictorian, Zoe Tuazon. Let's begin.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Zoe Tuazon and I am your valedictorian. I am sure that most of you out there have Google and Wikipedia to thank for finally being able to graduate in high school. Myself, Mahal. I only have one person who has continually inspired me throughout the years to be my best. Thank you and good luck sa inyong lahat.
I guess I owe you something. Like an apology or another lie.
I never meant for it to go that far. I just wanted to win for once. You've always been the perfect one, and I was tired of being second.
So you tricked me. You made me fall for Mark, knowing it would distract me.
Yeah, I thought if I had everything, grades, title, spotlight, I'd finally feel enough. But when I stood there, giving my speech, I felt empty.
Because that's not what genius is. It's not about being on top. It's about using what we're given to lift people, not pull them down.
You're right. And maybe that's why you've always been the real valedictorian. This should have been yours.
Keep it. Let it remind you of what not to do next time. We're both gifted, Zoe, but the world doesn't need another competition. It needs compassion.
So what now?
We build something better. You said your family's funding a new building, right? Let's make it more than just walls. Let's create a place for students like us. People who learn differently, dream differently.
A place where talent isn't measured by numbers, but by purpose.
Exactly. Genius with a heart.